What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Troy and I'm back with another video. It's currently May the 27th. What time is it? About 5:32. I'm waking up. May 28th to head to Miami Beach. We probably leave around about, I'm probably get up around about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. It's a 12-hour drive. And yes, I'm driving. I said driving. But yeah, head down there. It's my 22nd birthday, guys. I'm so thankful to be here, to just see another year. I'm thankful, you know. I'm in a good space right now in my life. I'm thankful for all the people that God has brought into my life, all the people that He's removed. And I'm just thankful. I'm thankful to be here. A lot of young people don't live to see my age, you know. But I'm just thankful. I really am. But anyways, I need to be getting some energy drinks. I need to pack. I haven't packed. I didn't do nothing yet. I got all my clothes, everything I know I'm gonna wear. But yeah. Let's see. Wow. Yeah, but anyways, I still have so much stuff to do. I want to wash my car. I need to pack clothes. But we should see. But anyways, when I get up in the morning, if I do not forget, I'm going to come back and give you guys a little clip. I'm just going to vlog throughout the little time that I'm, you know, driving down there, when I'm down there, having a good time. I'm going to enjoy myself. But I'm going to try to give you guys some video. You know, give you guys a video. I'm sorry. Give you guys a video of my experience. This will be my first time going to Miami Beach. And I know it's hectic down there. But I'm going to take you guys along with me. Alright? So anyways, let me get this stuff packed up and just see what I got to do. Alright, anyways, peace. So, I think I got everything. It's May 28th, and it's about, let me see what time it is. Hold on, guys. It's about 1:30. It's my birthday. But yeah, I'm up. I got my Red Bull. 12-hour drive. I only got went to sleep at 10. Didn't get that much sleep. But anyways, go out and hit the road. I will see you guys when I get on the road. I'm about to push it right now, okay? I had a little partner here looking at me, but a little cat, but anyways. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, because I'm still a little confused. It's too early for me. Anyways, peace. What's up, y'all? So, it's about 3:16, and I'm with the rest area. Still in North Carolina, but I just wanted to stop for a little break. Still got about 11 hours to go. So yeah, I'm trying to push it. Say it would be at about 2:30, somewhere along there. But I drank that Red Bull, so I have to use the bathroom. But anyways, about to hit the road. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. What's up, y'all? So we finally made it to Florida. We got about 2 hours to go. Trying to find some snacks. But yeah. So, hold on, wait. What chips you want?
I really want them
You can get no popcorn.
what am I get? I'm gonna get the popcorn and eat it on my back.
Get the hot kind.
I'll get you the hot kind. You want that?
My shirt gonna mess up.
You better not getting on your shirt. And it's in heels. Alright, let's go.
Let's get it.
You gotta tell me what we got.
Tell me what we got. Oh, let me see.
Funny.
There you go. Anyways, peace.
Every single one of these lives could be a movie, and this isn't fiction. In the underworld, this is everything.
So I'm about to sit here and ride some darn jet skis. I don't know what I'm doing first. I don't. They gave me a paddle board or whatever you call it. We gotta watch out for all these different spots. I'm gonna flip this darn jet ski. Y'all pray for me, please. Please pray for me. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to get down.